What the heck? What's going on here? You're supposed to be at work. You had a little too much of a... or what? Come on, man. Get up. You got work to do. Today you're working security. Security man couldn't make it today, so I need you to fill in for him. Can you handle that? Alright guys, so the funny man is going to stand guard while I search this 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This is Project Killer Whale. I call it a killer whale because it looks like a killer whale. It got this little fin on the top, you see that? Got about 97,000 miles. Thank you for joining my quest to find a gun. Let's get started. Now I have no idea what department this is from, but maybe I'll find some clues along the way. Looks like a pocket mask. It's like one of those oxygen mask thingies. Watch guard. This is like a wireless microphone. Warning, do not use computer while driving vehicle. Troy product. This is a super awesome center console. Got the radio here. Touch master. Microphone. Signal master. Awesome. Just add this to my collection. That's this interesting thing right here. It's gonna add it to my collection of touch masters. Look at that tower. Bam. And these are the amber lights I took off that last video. Wheeling Engineering. All right, so let's see what else is in here. What is this? Motorola Max Track 100. Radio or something. Mix CD. Amber Alert. Guess I'll check this out later. Amber Alert mix. Yo.
This is Captain Sam Savage, Richmond Department Savage. Trying to come through with Crownrickautoshop armor managed. I got my stuff back to Camwood. Everything jumps in the system. The penal code's pumped.
Yo, bunch of miscellaneous things. Gun rack by Santa Cruz. You're doing a great job, man. Keep them criminals away. Doing a great job. Looks like we got a map light switch. Looks like a stand where the laptop goes. Cigarette lighter. Be a leader. Earn respect. Be somebody. Be sexy. Earn a living. Break out your bubble. Be part of something. I should frame this. This is pretty good. Don't know if they work. Oh, they work. Cool. Ejection button. Something in here. Hold on. Something. Oh, stickers. Vacaville Police. Let's put one of these babies on. Here you go, man. You're a junior officer. You're doing great, by the way. Batteries. What is this? Cocoon? Eye drop. Dutch Bros. It's a coffee joint. Glove, which I'll put this on. $80K amplifier, Unitrol. Hear that? Stab resistant. There's another brand new hidden seatbelt back here. Holy smokes. Came across this guy at the auction who says I should invest in a probe camera. So he brings it down these little crevices and stuff. He finds all kinds of crazy stuff. Who knows what kind of stuff I missed out on already. Found these and searched like 6 other police cars. There wasn't really much in any of these. I got a bunch of cantrollers and radios and stuff. And we also found this keep one eye open. I like this club. All right, guys, please be a gun. Thanks everybody out there who's hoping I find a gun. I really appreciate it. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, what do you think of this? This is a freaking crazy Rambo knife. Elk Ridge. Awesome. Let's try throwing it this way. Let's try under. Maybe if I get closer. Oh crap. I broke it. I suck. See that piece? Well, that was a fail. But you know what? I'm gonna super glue this back together. I think this is to break windows. I'm gonna test this out. So this edge is to break windows, I think. So let's test it out. I guess not. You kidding me? Oh, I suck. See what else is in here. Stop stick. What is this? Camera of some sort? Who knows? Another camera. Some type of cop strap or something. I don't know. Federal signal. This looks like brackets and rubber. Dynamite shank weapon. It's been so long. This one's a little messed up. Maybe this thing will stick. No. It's like some more of that strap thing. So what do you think, guys? Should I keep this push bar? Or should I put this push bar on it? What do you think? Let me know. This one's got a weird looking siren speaker. This is different. Federal Signal TS 100. Looks like I'm gonna do some repairs to this. Hey, what are you doing sleeping? Hey, wake up, dude. You're supposed to be doing your job. What the heck? Oh, you know what? What am I doing? Okay, come with me. Have a seat. I'm very sorry. I shouldn't act that way. I just got really angry because you weren't doing your job. A criminal could have came and got me. Cool, I want us to get along, okay? Ah! So since we're giving these away, I'm gonna show you guys how they work. You just simply just like that. Clip on. Now you got beautiful prisoner art.
Come with me.
Oh, you need to stop. You need to stop.
Oh, good, they work.
Yeah, they work. Isn't that lovely art, guys? Beautiful jewelry for jailbirds.
Funny, man.
Stay the fuck down.